In Korematsu v. United States, the Supreme Court held that the internment of Japanese Americans during World War II was constitutional, albeit subject to strict scrutiny. It announced another view of the issue that same day in ex parte Endo. After Japan attacked Pearl Harbor and the United States declared war on Japan, the President promulgated executive orders authorizing the military to create zones from which some people could be excluded. Congress passed a law granting these powers of restriction. The Army, citing the danger facing the entire Pacific coast, then issued several public proclamations that restricted Japanese evacuees from leaving their military detention centers. The War Relocation Authority, a civilian agency, was given control over the relocation centers where evacuees were housed. The authority had planned to separate the loyal evacuees from the disloyal and then release the loyal individuals into states in the interior. However, when interior states protested that they didn't want an influx of Japanese Americans without military supervision, the authority abandoned its plans to assist evacuees with relocation and employment. One of these evacuees stuck in a camp was Mitsuya Endo, an American citizen of Japanese ancestry who lived in Sacramento. She'd never been to Japan and didn't speak Japanese. In 1942, she filed a petition of habeas corpus asking to be released, alleging that she was a loyal citizen and was being unlawfully detained against her will. The War Relocation Authority conceded that Endo was a loyal, law-abiding citizen who hadn't been charged with any crime or disloyalty. It also conceded that it lacked the power to detain citizens against whom no charges had been brought for longer than necessary to separate the loyal from the disloyal. But it insisted that Endo couldn't be released because an unsupervised migration of released individuals into unwelcoming communities would create disorder. The district court denied Endo's petition. The Ninth Circuit certified the case to the United States Supreme Court.